Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how you can archive your photo from your Instagram account and how the way you can find them back or show them back into your profile. First, you just need to open your Instagram application and don't forget to sign or log in with your account. Right after you successfully log in with your account, take a look on this bottom side. There could be a profile section on the right bottom side right here. Go tap it. The next thing you need to do is just go pick which content or which picture that you want to archive. Let's say I would like to archive this. Now tap into this three small dot and it could be an archive option. Just go tap on it and then this picture could be automatically hide from your profile, so it's not going to be shown. And how to show it back, you just need to scroll up, click into the three straight lines and then go tap into this archive, and it could be showing you the content that you have in archive. If you want to place them back into your profile, tap on this the content, tap into this three small dots and show on profile, and now your content is already back on your profile. So that's for today's tutorial. Super easy and simple. If you still have some questions, just drop in the comment section below. And if you still have some questioning, you just need to subscribe into this channel and turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let's begin into other video.